Okay, so guys, after discussing the problem A, we just reading the problem B, which is named as the Hourglass, and this is also the part of the Codeforces round 1072 division 3. And basically, I solved the two problems in this contest, two to three problems, and this is one of the a toughest approach because we used here some mathematical formulas related to probability or statistics, and here but it's a a very conceptual type of approach where we do not implement a simple logic in this question, because behind this there is another authentic approach, which is a very curious, where we are not able to understand this. Like here we see the question. You can also pause the screen and read the question. After reading the question, we just see there is a two variable, sorry, three variable name n, k, as well as, sorry, s, k, and m. Okay, so where hourglass measure s minutes, okay, and every k minutes Vladim his hourglass again. Basically, hourglass is a type of a conical glasses where we see in a movies, or another in ancient time, where we have to measure time. Like, we have to put the sand in the glass and just flip it the sand wherever we want to stop that, and then he will do this even if the sand is still falling. Okay, and if the sand has already finished falling but there is still some minutes left, so Vadim will wait for the required time. So each flip is done instantly, and Vadim also leave. Here we see Vadim needs to leave for the errands in m minutes, and he will stop the flipping the hourglass. And so we need to determine how many minutes the sand will continue to fall after Vadim leave. Okay, the main concept is this: we need to determine how many minutes the sand will continue to fall after Vadim leaves. Okay, Vadim also flips the hourglass, and hourglass also a tendency, which is see, hourglass measure s minutes, and the three variables is s, k, and m. I hope you understand. So six test cases here we see 8 8 12 5 10 17 12 2 3 16 7 7. Okay, output is 401710. Okay, if we see the note here, we see in the first test case Vadim flipped the hourglass just as a second stop. Following the 4 minute passes. Okay, how 4 minute passes? See, Vadim leaves and the 4 minutes will remain. I'll just make a note for you guys, don't worry about it. See, Vadim have a hourglass that takes s minutes to empty, and he flips it every k minutes. Okay, so we need to identify the how many minutes will the sand continue to fall after Vadim leaves. So what is the core idea behind it? Okay, I'll just discuss with you. See, if every flip reverse the direction of a sand, we see that, and the trick to track the flips, not time directly. I hope you understand what I say. See, uh, we need to implement these all the variables in the form of a mathematical formula, so that the code being executed in the earlier manner. Like flips equal to m by k. What is m? M is a time when Vadim leaves. Okay, and k is a flipping time of Vadim, and L equals to m modulo k. Okay, it's L and flips basically are the variables that I take in my code. And flip tells which side of the hourglass is active. Even flips original side full stand. Odd flips reverse side only the stand that well before is now flowing. Okay, step 2: how much sand is falling after the last flip? Okay, this is also main concept. So flip is even, so sand equals to s, and flip is odd, so minimum of s and k. Okay, step 3 tell us if a base case where L equals to 0, so answer equals to sand, means at the time when Vadim leaves, so how many sands are fallen. So here we say the base condition. Okay, max in bracket 0 comma sands minus L, and the final logic is this. Okay, why this works: instead of the simulating minutes by minute, we need to jump the last flip, see which side is supporting, and subtract how much time passed. And this is the big of one approach. Okay, now after let us see the submission, where I submit this code. There is some compilation error in my code, but I again resubmit it, and here's the code. See, okay, we take input skm as given in the question, and according to question we also input this, and a flip equals to m by k as I tell you earlier, and l equals to m modulo k. Okay, if we see the condition of a odd as well as a even now, then we're taking a input sands, and then we apply the condition on the flips. Okay, how many flips the Vadim takes. See, flip modulo 2 equals to 0 means flip is odd, sorry, even. So we need to directly point the sands equals to s, and sands equals to minute in bracket s comma k, means it's for the only odd condition, and l equals to 0, it's for the base condition. When Vadim leaves, we need to point the sands, see out, we need to see out the sands. Okay, and then we're taking the answer variable as a long, and applying the max condition of this. And do not worry, after seeing this condition, this is basically a long data type. And then we finally see out the answer, and these are all the things I use in my codes, for the for saving the time in the contest and improving your ratings. And I hope you guys understand the question, and also as well as my code. So that's it for today, and we will meet you in the next video. Bye.